Let's begin the broadcast with breaking news coming in. As the Nandigram battle plays out in the Calcutta High Court, there seems to be another battle playing out over the hearing. The TMC has slammed the choice of Judge Justice Kaushik Chanda for hearing the case. TMC has hinted at favoritism.
We are making a silent protest. We are waiting for the outcome of the representation given by the Bar Council of West Bengal. We will see next week. If nothing happens, we will proceed with our agitation and in a higher degree also.
You want the matter to be released from this particular...
We want the matter should be placed before an independent judge who has no political affinity, no question of present in the past.
So TMC has upped the ante against the choice of judge, and in fact we also have accessed a confidential appeal that Mamata Banerjee as petitioner through her advocate had given to the acting Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court, urging that the matter should not be listed with Justice Kaushik Chanda. Meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party is not indulging in this entire controversy, saying that the matter is sub judice. Mamata Banerjee, in her response, had attached pictures of Justice Chanda attending BJP legal cell program. Let's go across to Tamal, joining us in the broadcast with more details. Tamal, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, her party is slamming the choice of judge to hear the matter, and there is also a confidential appeal asking the acting Chief Justice to not list the matter before Judge Kaushik Chanda.
Well, that's right, Swati. In fact, even as we speak, there are several Trinamool Congress leaders who have taken to social media questioning the intent in putting this matter before Justice Kaushik Chanda, trying to suggest that Justice Kaushik Chanda, before he became a judge, was an active BJP member and there could be conflict of interest where he would be hearing a matter where respondent himself, that is Shubhendu Adhikari, is a BJP MLA. So thereby they are trying to make a lot of insinuations. But the fact of the matter is, on June 16, 2021, Mamata Banerjee, as a petitioner through her advocate, had actually written a letter to the Calcutta High Court urging that the matter should not be listed with Justice Kaushik Chanda. Why? Because in April 2021, the acting Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court had sought feedback of Chief Minister, because she was then the Chief Minister, even middle of Model Code of Conduct and election process, as whether Advocate Kaushik Chanda should be promoted and made into a permanent judge in Calcutta High Court, to which Mamata Banerjee had opposed, to which Mamata Banerjee had expressed reservation, to which Mamata Banerjee had cited the fact that Justice Kaushik Chanda is an active BJP member and thus he should not be made into a permanent judge. In fact, she had also cited instances where BJP legal cell programs have happened where he, in capacity of Solicitor General, had even attended the program. So I think it's very quickly, this is the letter we have accessed, and if I have time, I would just like to read one small paragraph. It says, sometime in April 2021, my client had received a letter from Honorable Chief Justice of this Honorable Court for confirmation of the Honorable Justice Kaushik Chanda as a permanent judge of this Honorable Court. My client had objected to the confirmation of the Honorable Judge as a permanent judge of Honorable High Court at Calcutta. She goes on to highlight that the Honorable Justice Kaushik Chanda is yet to be confirmed as a permanent judge of this Honorable Court. As stated above, my client's views were sought by Honorable Chief Justice on the confirmation of Honorable Justice Kaushik Chanda as a permanent judge. She goes on to highlight the fact that in any event, in view of the fact that the respondent in the election petition is a member of the BJP and the Honorable Judge was an active member of the BJP, it will lead to a situation and perception whereby the Honorable Judge, in adjudicating the matter, may be said to be quote-unquote judge in his own cause. And she adds, justice must not only be done, it must also be seen to be done. So Trinamool Congress is trying to up the ante. Mamata Banerjee has officially, as a petitioner, appealed before the Calcutta High Court. We have to now wait and see whether the matter would be still kept with Justice Kaushik Chanda or be released and transferred to some other court.
Tamal, BJP isn't indulging much in the controversy, but Dilip Ghosh spoke to Times Now a while back, and he says that Justice Kaushik Chanda was not the judge back then when Mamata Banerjee is talking about his association with the BJP. He was a lawyer, and several lawyers are associated with political parties.
Well, Swati, that's right. In fact, That's right. Dilip Ghosh is trying to suggest that if there is a speaker in the state assembly, the speaker can go ahead and meet opposition MLAs. That doesn't really mean that the speaker of the assembly is not neutral. Similarly, in reference to that analogy, BJP is trying to suggest that even though even if he was with BJP as a judge, he's expected to be neutral and his integrity should not be questioned. Well, if I can show you, this is the Facebook post of BJP of Dilip Ghosh. Done back in 2016, on 20th of July 2016. And in this Facebook post, Dilip Ghosh has clearly mentioned addressing a lawyers' meet organized by BJP Legal Cell with presence of Shri Taposh Chatterjee, convener of BJP Legal Cell, Shri Kaushik Chanda, additional Solicitor General, and other prominent lawyers. Today, the educated people are keen towards accepting the ideological track of Bharatiya Janata Party for the overall development of Bengal. Now, Dilip Ghosh, with that Facebook post of his, had also attached a couple of pictures. Now, these pictures are also here. Now, these are the same pictures that Trinamool Congress, members, leaders are also tweeting on social media, as where you can clearly see Dilip Ghosh seated right next to Kaushik Chanda, and they are trying to question as whether there would be all fairness and would be probity when the matter is being heard or being adjudicated by Justice Kaushik Chanda. Yes, BJP is trying to distance itself, but Trinamool Congress not letting go of this opportunity. They fear that the matter would be prejudiced, and in order not to bring in any prejudice in the hearing matter, the case should be transferred to some other single bench judge.
Well, in fact, Tamal, stay on with us.